Hello everyone, this is Nisha from CSC Department of Engineering. Today I am excited to share you something about our SH problem statement on that is called Journey Genius. Before I go into the new topic, I hardly want to introduce our teammates. For Roshan, Mubarak, Saki, Sania, and Ryan. So these are our team. When it comes to first slide, our problem statement ID is SIH25177. Problem statement title is Journey Genius. The theme of the project is to track, locate, and travel. So it is completely a software project, and our team name is Pathfinders. So to make it realistic or to make it interesting, I wanna ask my teammates to ask them problems, and I'll give you how the solutions.
Missing of buses.
Yeah, for the missing of buses, we can track the buses with the real time tracking.
Language problem in new places.
Yeah, of course, we can come through it by accurate estimate of arrival time at bus stop. So by that you can't ask someone for anything.
Scam of auto or rickshaw peoples.
So in this, we'll provide dynamic route options for our users. So users can know which route have how many distance and which route has how long the distance is, and you can guess the price and all. No, you can't go through the scams.
Scams of tourist guides.
So in this, we provide tourist guides with a prepaid or a fixed pay options, you know. So you can't go through the tourist scams.
So, hello, I am Sakib. I am going to explain you about app workflow with the technologies. In our app, we will provide two types of options like journey and tourist. If user will be select journey option, current data, current location and destination will be taken from the user. In backend, it will be processed Node.js and Python database MySQL and MongoDB. It will process the data and also IoT GPS module on buses and MQTT web stock updates the bus list of the user, and also it will be provides the route and live location of the buses. If user will be select tourism option, the GPS location will be taken from the user, and in cloud API is Google Maps and OpenStreetMap REST APIs plus real-time data will be processed, and tourist data rating and distance timing and from API will be taken. It will process the data and shares the users to nearby tourist spots and directions to the tourist spot, and also it will be gives the information about the place, and also it will be provides hardware availabilities like GPS trackers are low cost and scalable. The challenges we are facing to implement the GPS to the government buses and private buses, real time accuracy, and also we are thinking to collab with the private companies. Thank you. It will be continued by Roshan.
Okay. So now I'm going to tell you about impact and benefits of our app. Potential impact on target audience are first one is commuters. It increases the reliability and reduced waiting times. This solution makes public transport more reliable and buses arrive on time. Waiting periods decreases as we can see example like where is my train app. In it, it will show the arrival and departure of the trains. From it we can identify which at what time the train will arrive, and overall the travel experience becomes smoother and less stressful to transporters, and the transport authorities can get a better decision making through data analytics. It by collecting and analyzing data, authorities can make informed decisions about routes and schedules and resource allocation, improving efficiency and reducing better bottlenecks. But this for bus operators and drivers, it optimizes routes and reduce unnecessary detours and save fuel and lower operational stresses. Drivers can focus on safe driving rather than working about delays or route management. And for a society, a more reliable public transport system increases public trust. So people are more likely to switch from private vehicles to public transit, to reducing congestion and promoting sustainable and mobility. And the benefits of our solution is the safety and security. It improves monitoring and planning, reduce overcrowding and potential accidents for big cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, etc. And trust in public transport. Reliably and timely service build confidence among daily commuters. Students, employees, and elderly passengers find commuting easier, supporting inclusivity. And economic benefits are it increases revenue, higher public transport usage generates more income for operators and authorities, and it's also benefits on cost savings. So that daily commuters save money by relying on efficient public transport rather than private vehicles. And environmental benefits are it's more eco-friendly mobility. It reduces dependence on personal cars and lowers emission and carbon footprint. And it also make the traffic less congestion and pollution. More people using public transport means fewer vehicles on the road, as we know this. And this sustainable urban development goals, it encourages planning cities around efficient transit systems and supporting long-term sustainability goals. These are the some uh, real world impacts and benefits of our project Journey Genius.
Hello everyone, I am Sania. I am here to focus on research and reference. We took government and case studies of the reference. First is smart cities mission. Here we took urban mobility reports. And when it comes to BMTC intelligent transport systems, next when it comes to academic search, we took IoT based smart public transportation service and machine learning for ETA prediction in public. When it comes to technology reference, Google Maps Translate API documentation and AWS IoT core real-time data.
Thank you, Sania. Let me go through the how the actual data is transmitted. So, when the GPS satellites take signals of the bus where it is located, so the GPS helps for tracking of the bus. So the bus will be tracking, and the tracked data will be uh, carried out through carrier networks like GSM, GPRS signals. So when it carried out through carrier network, it turned into HTTP packets for the internet. So when it goes to internet, the data is separated for user and storage. So the data is new when only the data is in